Everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about sorting a cart by category. Sorting a shopping cart by category is a common feature in point of sale application, and this involves organizing product within the cart based on their assigned categories. So let's see how can we manage this in point of sale. Now let me show you the point of sale without first using this feature. So let's move on to the register. So let me open the register of NYZ shop, and here you can just open the register. I would like to choose the cashier as Michelle admin. Afterwards, here you would be able to find all the categories currently available. So I'm going to choose different products randomly over here. So I'm going to choose acoustic block screen over here. Then let's say Epi oral sprites and Epi apple pie, and you can just add the bacon burger, and I would like to add the black embroidered shirt over here, and let me add the blueberry muffin. Then again let me add the blue denim jeans. So in this case we haven't added the sorting a card by category. So whenever you just add the item, this item will be added randomly over here one after the other. Okay, and now let me just move to the backend, and under the backend we can just enable this feature. So in order to enable this feature, let's move on to the configuration settings. So under the configuration settings we can just enable the feature that is sorting a card by category. So as you just drag down over here, you can find the feature which is sort card by category. This would group the item in the cart in the card according to their category. Now let me save the changes that we have made. Afterwards, you can just move on to the dashboard, and let me continue the selling. Now let's unlock the register. So I would like to unlock the register by Michelle admin. And once I have used the sorting a card by category, here you can see that aquatic block swing which belongs to the furniture category, and black embroidered t-shirt and black denim is just belong to the other category, and here apple pie, blue muffins and bacon burger, all those related to the other category. Now let me add a different product. So if I add a different product, classic brown jacket, it will be add under the black embroidered shirt, because we have enabled the feature sorting a card by category. So here you can see currently it's add over here, and if you want to add a Coca-Cola, it will be adding under the bacon burger, because it comes in the category of drinks and the other food items. Okay, and now let me just add the chicken curry sandwich, so it will be adding along with the bacon burger, Coca-Cola and all. So here you can see this is how we just manage with a sorting a card by category. So, by following this sorting by category, it is easy to analyze the product belongs to which category and all. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.